this is a tight fit here. Oh yeah, we're going straight. That line is all the way backed up. So, good morning, chat. Today is National Taco Day. We're going to Fuel City to get some dollar tacos after we go to the beautiful Omni Dallas. If you guys have been watching my videos for some time now, you would know that every time I work at the Omni Dallas, I've got to call it the beautiful Omni Dallas with a beautiful little accent. I don't know why I do it every time. Never gonna stop, won't stop. Won't stop, won't stop, don't stop. What's that, Puff Paradise? What is that? Is that a vape? That's a vape store, what the fuck? Alright, so, by the way, don't get the freaking vape. Don't buy vapes from the vape store next to Fuel City. I paid $88, bruh, for a weed vape and a fucking nicotine vape. That shit was terrible. I'm trying to get out of these motherfuckers' way. Alright, so this not having a green arrow kind of sucks. But I'd still be trying to creep to the front of the line in that motherfucker. So, it's all good. The sun is rising. So I've been watching these videos and I did notice that the wind is a lot better now. The exhaust is still loud as shit, but the wind is a lot better. Now that I closed this vent, there's a vent on my chin, on my helmet, and I closed that and derp, and now it's a lot less windy because I took away the wind vent. It's less windy. I'm stupid. Anyway, I brought a couple of cool toys we're gonna play with today. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3, along with the 4th axis stabilizer made by Scotty Makes Things. It is the Micro Plus 3 or something like that. I'll show you guys later after work when we get to Fuel City. But yeah, mate, we're gonna have fun with that later. I'm gonna probably, when I get off of work, attach that to the bike and maybe try to get some Rolleringtons. Ow, I just got like something stabbed me in my eye. It's probably my hair. It was probably a piece of my hair. Dude, I want to wheelie here, but I'm smart. I'm not ever gonna, bro, because if I fucking come down too hard and go to the left, bro, I'm gonna smack into that wall, possibly break my leg and puncture it into my clutch levers. The stabilizer from Scotty Makes It. It's a 4th axis gimbal, not gimbal, but stabilizer that pretty much helps the Osmo Pocket not go up and down. It's gonna take some of that recoil from the bumps, and I'm hoping that even without the vibration damper, I freaking forgot the vibration damper. Wait, no I didn't, I brought it, I think. No I didn't bring it. But I'm hoping that without that vibration dampener, it still works good. We're definitely gonna have to also bring the vibration dampener for next time. But yeah, man, should be a good day. I'm gonna operate a camera today, so that's $500. I'm working for this newer company. Well, not newer, actually older, kind of. I've worked for Raymond a few times in my day. Raymond works with EMS and PLS for Steve. So yeah, working a cam op gig with them, and it's for a pyramid scheme, believe it or not. It's like all these stay-at-home moms are attending this thing, and it's an event for a sales tactic group that's like pushing them to sell products. And it's funny because it's like in their presentation, they're all like, oh, if you get X amount of sales, you get a free hoodie. And I'm like, what is this? The fucking high school sales shit, bro? You remember that shit when you were in high school and you could like fucking sell shit around your neighborhood, and fucking they gave you like a brochure of like prizes, and they were all like mediocre. It's like the grand prize is like a skateboard or something like that for adults, bro. Dog, that's crazy. Oh man, there's a brother up here. He's not gonna want me to split anywhere near him. Good thing I didn't take the HOV lane. It's a little bit early in the morning, but I'm still here. I'm still here, ready to go, ready to play with a bloody camera. I've already had my energy drink, so it's starting to kick in a bit, eh? Look at all these people taking a left. Couldn't be me. I've got to go straight. It's actually the HOV lane. It might be a smart idea to take that. I think that it might come out right where we want us to. Let's watch. So that's this lane. I think it pops right out where we need to be at the Hervé. We'll see. Splitting this morning. Yeah, it's been a little bit tasteful. Pay attention to the POV lane, and that shit is more fucking not the same. I'm just kidding. It's probably, I think, yeah, that's the same. So it shoots you out right here, mate. I don't know why I talk when I'm talking with a loud voice. I always have to talk like this. Thankfully, there was a cop there, and I just so happen to not be lane splitting anymore. So yeah, this is where the POV lane comes out. There's this narrow strip where there's that line right there, and this narrow strip actually takes you all the way out the exit, so you don't have to go into that terrible concrete. It's kind of a skill to be able to stay in that line. I've got me hair. I've got me hair in my face. What the fuck am I doing, bro? I got a loose dangling hair on my nose. It's on my nose. My nose! My nose, bitch! You wanna snip my dick? Whoa, I was not talking to that homeless person sleeping on the floor. Hopefully they have some breakfast with actual fucking meat today. Yesterday was just yogurt, oatmeal. That's pretty much it. It was like, oh, and croissant, like sweet dessert pastries. Like, what kind of breakfast is this, bro? Y'all trying to fucking fill me up on sugar and carbs? This is not healthy, man. The AV industry, man, it's real easy to get fat, I'll tell you that, with a baseball bat. Hopefully that same lady's not here at the parking garage, because I just rode in yesterday and made my own little parking spot. She was kind of looking at me like, what you doing there, buddy? And now look, there's hella people here. And did they block me off? It looks like they tried to block off me path, eh? But y'all can't block me forever. They definitely tried to block me off. Those were not there ever, any day. All right, time to go get free breakfast and then go to work. Oi, look at that bike, dude. Oh my god. My bike, bro. That should be getting me bricked up sometimes. And by sometimes, I mean every singular day that exists. I almost walked into that. So, today is the actual day. Today is gonna be an actual day of work. Yesterday, it was just rehearsals, man. And the cam ops, we didn't have to really do much. We just sat there and pointed our cameras, and when they asked us to zoom in, you know, give it a little zoom in, and then after that, just fucking a wide shot of the full stage. Didn't have to really do anything. Just make sure the lighting department was able to dial in their lights. Derp. Sometimes I'd be saying some shit. I'm like, I think I'm retarded, but like in a good way, you know? I'm special. Oh, hold the door. Oh, morning. After you. So, right for a beautiful day here at the beautiful Omni Dallas. And then after today, we are gonna go to Fuel City. Morning. And enjoy ourselves some free motherfucking, actually not free, dollar motherfucking tacos. Which I don't have cash, so I'm gonna have to find somebody that is willing to, what do you call it? Take Zelle and give me tacos. Whew. 7:45, 15 minutes early. They want us here at 8. They said do not be late, and we did it, Jet. We showed up on time. We showed up early, so all is well. I just gotta get to that breakfast room. Morning. Footage. Say again? I said I want to see some footage. Oh, YouTube, Avalanche on YouTube. Yeah. I didn't tell her it was with a 7 though. All right, let's see what we got here.